Hello friends. Now today I am here for discussing these physical quantities which is used for our daily lives. Like we use length for measuring distances like kilometers, meters, centimeters for daily use, and time, it is a basic unit for continuing our whole life. Capacity like liters and milliliters. Force, we apply some force on pushing some object or pulling that. Work, we work every day in our lives. Heat, we use for cooking like any other things. And here are some more units like that. So these are called physical units which are essential for our life. uh, in physics it is very crucial for our daily needs. So a scientist have made a SI unit, or we call it standard unit, for measuring all that. So length's SI unit is meter. Next is time. Time's SI unit is second. Capacity is liter. And next is force. Force is Newton. Work, joule. Work and heat, their SI units are same, and energy's SI unit is also same, which is joule. And next is power. Power's SI unit is watt. Next is temperature. Temperature is Kelvin. And next is mass. Mass is kilogram. Next is volume. Volume is cubic meter. And next is speed. Speed is meter per second. Meter per second. And you can write m slash s, meter per second. And next is electricity. Electricity's SI unit is ampere. Many more are there. If I have forgot I forgot a lot of units. I have explained these few one. But if you want to know more about that, please comment me and ask me for that more remaining one. So that's all for now. If you want another any content about that maths formulas etc and science concepts, so you can tell me and ask about those. So now for that, thank you guys.